What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is kind of a little bit backwards. We already did the trip, and unfortunately the trip was awesome. No complaints on that aspect, but the weather sucked, I'll tell you that. But one thing I wish I was able to capture more, but I didn't really want to destroy my nice camera, and so I shot very little. Almost lost my drone like 3 times, trying to do some make sure I capture some shots and stuff like that. But unfortunately, the weather sucked. I mean, other than that, that was it. I had an amazing time and whatnot. The ZR2 did amazing on the trail. It was comfortable. It took all the whoops left and right, you know, whatever we threw at it, it was no big deal. Unfortunately, out in Michigan, it's not like Moab, Utah, or Colorado. If you've never been to Michigan, it's a lot of actually sand. There's not really a lot of big rocks to play on, so it's just literally just trail riding, which isn't bad. I love that. I like playing on rocks too, but I do think this truck needs to be a tad taller, and with maybe some 35s, I think it's gonna be perfect. You know, I do have kind of a list going on, especially going forward, on how I want this build to be, and I think it's going to turn out amazing. Nothing over top, which a lot of my friends probably say bullshit. They already know who I am and stuff like that, and I'm not saying I need the best or anything, but we got to do it right. So, but other than the weather, this truck handled amazing. I'm super glad I got this truck. It was awesome. I loved driving it. I drove for quite a while, but most of the time somebody was driving my truck for me because I was out there filming and stuff like that. So not a big deal. I could care less. He was a great guy, and all the guys I met, and all my buddies that I've known for a while. Yeah. So right now I'm just gonna play what I captured, and I'm greatly appreciated from Onyx Off-Road, Unlimited Off-Road, Bullet Point Mounting Solutions, which is coming soon. Another one is Milestar tires. Even though I don't have Milestars on my my truck right now, eventually, those are probably gonna be the 35s I'm going with. I love Milestars. I know tires are like talking about oil. Which one's the best one? I've ran Milestar tires on all my vehicles, and they are great tires. Never had a blown out. They grip very well. They do very well in mud, the snow. They're a good overall tire, in my personal opinion. I know some people are like BF Goodrich's. I love Milestar. Milestar to me was amazing. So yeah. So hopefully some of these clips that I'm going to be showing you guys, and a lot of them are maybe photos and stuff like that, hope you guys enjoy my little trip on this. I wish I captured a little bit more. Actually, I wish I captured a lot more, but it is what it is. We went out with a kind of a large group. I think there was 11 rigs that actually end up going out, and when you're at that big of a group, it's kind of hard because you don't want to slow down the pack, but at the same time you want to film. Because I could have walked the whole thing and just captured, but we also covered 100 and I think it was like a total 166, 165 miles or whatever it is. The boat ride was very interesting. It was fun. That's where I almost lost one of my drones capturing a few things, and but the wind was terrible. The camping was awesome, just hanging around the fire and enjoying everybody's company. This is what I personally love about the overlanding. It isn't about who can crawl over the best, who has the biggest rig, who who has more gonads. It's all, everybody's just out there to have fun and enjoy each other. That's what I personally love, and hopefully maybe we can do a ZR2 expedition. I think that would be awesome. And I know there's gonna be more down the road. and I'm greatly appreciated from all my friends, and I thank every single one of them. I thank every single one of the sponsors for this event, and my truck's only going to get better, and I'm going to learn it a little bit, because like I said, this is the first time really ever off-roading an IFS vehicle, and it felt completely different than I got my Jeep Gladiator or even my Wrangler. It's a whole nother feel, and trying to understand the differences, which, I mean, you're still wheeling, you're still on dirt or rocks or whatever, it's still a different feel. It's kind of hard to explain, to be honest, but I absolutely love this truck. I've said this in a couple of my other videos, this truck is not going to go anywhere. I'm going to base this whole entire channel around this truck and overlanding and what we do to this thing, and I greatly appreciate Chevy building a great truck. And this, you know, I know they're hard to find, and yeah, they have their quirks, but every vehicle has their quirks. It is what it is, you know. But so sit back and hopefully you guys enjoy this. I'll catch you guys in a few minutes. obviously you guys just saw all my captures and whatnot. Well, that was for our expedition. Wasn't anything, nothing on the trail was hard. The hardest part was just really going to the island, really, but that was the boat, because I think they said they were almost at like 20-foot waves or something like that, give or take. It was choppy. It was actually really rough, but it was an amazing time. I will definitely love to go back again, especially during the summertime, or when the weather is more right, but obviously we can't really predict it. You know, planning this months ahead of a time, and my buddy Pete planned this whole thing out for months and months ago, and he did a fabulous job, and I'm greatly appreciated. He's probably became one of my best friends, and how I got, you know, where I am today, and without him, and how we met is all through really for the jeeping and off-roading. It really brought, we really bonded, so it's awesome. But he did a wonderful job, a great job on setting this whole thing up. So thank you, bud. I appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.